Welcome to our lesson on inheritance in Dart, a powerful concept in object-oriented programming that promotes code reuse and hierarchy. Today, we'll explore how inheritance works in Dart and how it can be utilized to build more efficient and modular code. Inheritance is a cornerstone of object-oriented programming, allowing us to create a hierarchy of classes where a new class can inherit attributes and behaviors from an existing class. It promotes code reuse, modularity, and makes code more extensible. Inheritance in Dart is a mechanism that enables a new class, known as the subclass or derived class, to inherit attributes and behaviors from an existing class, called the superclass or base class. Let's understand the key concepts of inheritance. Inheritance involves 1. Superclass, base class, the existing class that provides attributes and behaviors. 2. Subclass, derived class, the new class that inherits from the superclass. 3. Inheritance, the process of a subclass gaining the properties of its superclass. Let's create a simple example in Dart to understand how to create a subclass that inherits from a superclass. This will help us see inheritance in action. A subclass in Dart can override methods inherited from its superclass. This means that the subclass provides its own implementation of a method, tailoring it to its specific needs. Let's explore method overriding. A subclass in Dart can access members, fields, and methods of its superclass using the super keyword. This allows for extended functionality while still leveraging the existing features of the superclass. Dart supports single inheritance, meaning a class can inherit from only one superclass. While Dart doesn't support multiple inheritance, it provides mix-ins and interfaces to achieve similar functionality. Mix-ins and interfaces in Dart offer a way to incorporate functionality into a class without using traditional inheritance. They provide flexibility and address some limitations of single inheritance. Following best practices ensures effective use of inheritance. 1. Favor composition over inheritance when applicable. 2. Use inheritance to model an is-a relationship. 3. Design classes with a focus on reusability and maintainability. As we conclude, inheritance is a powerful tool in Dart, offering a way to build on existing code and create more modular and extensible applications. Mastering inheritance enhances your object-oriented programming skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!